The beach is alright, but my favourite place at the Gold Coast is still Nautique Central. Good old Sam hooking me up with some more presents. A little concerning back in the boat in here between all these monsters. Sammy! Thanks for the presents, mate. Much appreciated. Sam's hooking me up with some Rego.
Did you get any?
I'm a little concerned.
I'll ask that question now.
I'm a little concerned letting him loose on choosing the Rego for this thing. What happened to Ski 200, Sam?
Went with a new boat.
Oh, you gave it to someone else?
Yeah.
Oh, you bastard. Sam wants it to be what?
Who thinks it should be?
No one's gonna get it. You had to explain it for 10 minutes to me.
I am N01Q. You can all work it out. Because Joel is that.
I am number one,
Yeah.
with a Q.
With a Q.
That's not on. We can't have that.
Should have a vote.
No. That's
You'll have to
shocking.
work out how to do a little poll in your Instagram thing.
Oh, that's shocking. What was your question? You can't ask on camera, Sam? I did always suck at jigsaw puzzles. We seem to have a lot of bits left over, Ben. You know that pain in the ass bloke that like brings stuff in on Friday Arvo? That would be me. Thank you, Sam. Geez, you work hard. Should we keep the pressure on you while you line it up straight? Is this the hardest bit? Thank you. I feel like I'm not helping much, hey Ben. He's busy. Thank you, Benny. Thank you, Sam.
No worries, Joel.
Much appreciated. You're very good to me here.
Mate, you're good at the videos.
Yeah, they're never awkward, hey Sam.
We're going to shake with our left hand.